Here we have a 2020 20 plate BMW 320d M Sport. We have black kidney grills, M Sport styling kit, which includes black front splitter and side skirts, as well as rear diffuser. We also have LED lights. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We also have black window trim, as well as privacy glass, shark fin antenna, front and rear parking sensors. There's a quick look at another M Sport alloy wheel. We have rear reversing camera, as well as dual exhaust flush with rear bumper and rear diffuser. There's a look at the rear reversing camera just there. Opening up the boot, we have a nice spacious sized boot with storage bins on the left and on the right hand side. Closing the boot, you can see the rear spoiler lip just there. Nice vehicle, is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and truly does look superb from every angle. And there's a look at another alloy wheel. And there's a quick glimpse at the side skirts just there. Opening up the rear, we have full leather seats throughout with ISOFIX points. We also have pull down leather armrests with 2 nice size cup holders. We also have climate control in the back, as you can see just there. We also have the M Sport and M Performance stitching in the seat belts as well. And we do have harm carding integrated as well with the ambient lighting just there with the brushed metal trim. We also have electric windows. Going to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full leather seat, which has white stitching embedded, and again the seat belt with the 2 blues and the red stitching. Again, we have the brushed metal trim with ambient lighting just there with integrated Harman-Kardon speakers. We also have the power folding mirrors and electric windows just there as well. Jumping inside the car, we have auto lights just down here, so you can see the ambient lighting a bit better in the dark. Foot on the brake, we have keyless start. Now this vehicle has done just under 14,000 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. Now we do have the satellite navigation on the screen in front of you there, and we also have the heads-up display just there as well. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel, cruise control and speed limiter just there, as well as paddle shift if we set the car into manual mode. We also have auto wipers. We also have right there where you can change what displays you have just there. Now we do have satellite navigation in the centre, as well as media connectivity. We have DAB radio go across. We have Spotify, music collection, Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring and mobile devices as well. We also have phone connectivity. Pop car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera just there, as well as the front and rear parking sensors. Going back off that, we have adaptive, Eco Pro, Comfort, and also Sport. You can have individual as well, and you can also configure the individual. Coming down here, we have dual zone climate control. We also have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings, really does make all the difference. Climate control works just as you would expect it to, no issues whatsoever. We also have ice cold aircon as well. We have the BMW individual trim just down here, which does look absolutely superb. Opening that up, we have wireless charging just there, as well as a USB port, 12 volt connectivity, as well as 2 nice size cup holders, and close that back up again, just like so. We have traction control on and off, as well as parking sensors, stop start, then we have the engine, stop start button, driver mode select, electric parking brake with auto hold, and this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well, and there's a look at the passengers. Full Dakota leather front seat, which is absolutely very, very comfortable. On the dash, again, we have the BMW individual trim just there with the ambient lighting just underneath as well. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of 2020 20 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now the purpose of this video is to show the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, I'm not to fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel, To activate, press the centre button and then it will activate. To go up, simply push it up very slightly, and that will adjust by 1. Push up until you feel a click, and it'll go up to the nearest 5 miles an hour. To cancel, either press the brake or just tap the button in the centre that you use to activate the cruise control. Just tap that twice and then it'll cancel. At the roundabout, I'm going to take a left, as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. Now I do have full leather seats, which are incredibly comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling and fresh. And for those cold, frosty winter mornings, they're also heated, so it makes all the difference instead of getting into a cold seat. Now I'm going to take over the paddle shift. So currently I'm in 4th, down to 3rd, up to 4th, into 5th, into 6th, and then I'm going to let the car take back over. You can also push the gear stick to the left hand side, and then you can use the gear stick to change it up and down. Pushing it over to the left, it either goes into M or S. M meaning manual and S meaning sports. And to cancel that, simply push back to the right, and that's it. Now I do have a touch screen, which is also, it has satellite navigation as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media connectivity, Bluetooth phone connectivity. It also has Spotify on it. Down here, we also have the wireless charger, as well as 2 nice sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, and also USB. Now here at RS Car Sales, we do have over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader, as well as Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. We do have Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, so feel free to subscribe and follow us on either platforms just to stay up to date with everything at RS Car Sales. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to put straight into reverse after doing an emergency stop. Just show you the brakes work as they should, and so it's the front and rear parking sensors and rear reversing camera. So pulling in now, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the rear reversing camera just there, as well as the parking sensors as well. If you're driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this video, there hasn't been any. But that's coming to the end of this video. So if we haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they'll be able to book a test drive or book a viewing for your preferred car. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.